Today, we're in Truro, Nova Scotia, Canada, at the Dalhousie University Agricultural Campus, the hub of agricultural research and education in Atlantic Canada. Founded in 1905 as the Nova Scotia Agricultural College, the faculty offers degrees in plant science, food science, and animal science, which is where these crew come in. But unlike this guy, students don't come with a built-in woolly coat. And the university, like many universities, relies upon a district heating system to keep the campus warm during the winter. With a history of relying on coal and oil, the university decided to switch to local, low-carbon, sustainable fuel. And in 2018, installed the Biomass combined heat and power plant. The facility has received international awards recognizing the university's leadership in decarbonization. Let's go investigate.
I'm Kevin Craig, Chief Engineer, Dalhousie Bible Hill Campus, in charge of the thermal plant here, biofuel cogeneration. What we're looking at is our dual fuel bin. It can hold 6 trailer loads. It's only 3 days supply. As we burn, as per the design, 2 tractor trailer loads a day. This wood coming from a sawmill used to be called waste, but now they call it residue because there's almost always a purpose. It's just if there's some place to fill that purpose. In our case, we're heating the campus here, about 40 buildings, and we're making 1 megawatt of electricity. Now with our stack here, and what appears to be smoke is moisture. You've got to consider that a tree, when it's fresh cut, is around 45% moisture. So if you took and burnt that tree immediately, you'd have your heat and your energy, but you'd have also 45% moisture coming up the stack. Now, to compare this place to, say, a wood stove or a fireplace, the emissions from this stack are about the same as one wood stove. For Nova Scotia, as you're saying, biomass would be the cheapest form of heat. If you're buying, like we are, more of a raw material or waste material, then there's nothing that comes close to it. Our calculations usually show that the biomass is about half the price of other energy, such as electric or oil. In developing this plant, the greatest benefit would have been the revenue, as we're close to $5,000 a day of electrical revenue, and depending on how you look at it, with free heat.
So the university's got a key part to play in addressing climate change. And on this particular campus, as an example, we have the biomass cogeneration plant. And from my perspective, that's been a key change to the campus. It's been a message to show that we take it seriously, but also it's engaged and integrated into our curriculum. And it's also been designed for research as well. So we're able to bring in sustainable new sources of potential fuel, and we're able to actually burn that and look at the efficiency and look at things like the burning temperature and the efficiency of turning that into electricity and also heat. So it has a research component, certainly got a very significant teaching component, because we've actually been one of the first examples on a university campus of this happening. And it also has allowed us to support a local industry, and we're using that biomass and that bio-waste from the local forestry industry, which prior to us doing this, they really didn't know what to do with. So by doing what we're doing and contracting with them, we're actually allowing them to grow and increase their production of sustainable fuels moving forward as well. So the university has sustainability goals, and the Faculty of Agriculture and the campus, we also have sustainability goals as well. It's very difficult for us to teach something if we're not actually acting it out, and it's really important for our students to be able to see the impact of what we're doing on our campus in relation to sustainability.
Dalhousie University has established a net zero target, and the biomass combined heat and power plant at the agricultural campus is an important part of reaching that goal. As a research and educational institution, Dalhousie is looking beyond its own emissions to examine ways and find solutions for decarbonizing the broader society. The university has also shown other universities and district heating system owners how to decarbonize using biomass. With a history as a living laboratory, learning by doing, the university, with its education and research, is helping ensure that the food we all consume is healthy, affordable, sustainable, and low carbon. Here's your reward for being a movie star.